Hey, let's talk about something delicious. Dive into the culinary world with the Shrimp Boat Podcast. Discover the origins of iconic dishes and snag mouth-watering recipes you won't find anywhere else. And guess what? We've got a cookbook series too. Packed with our signature recipes, it brings the flavors of the sea right to your kitchen. But not just seafood. There's local favorites from all over the world, sweet tooth delights, and even homemade wine. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just getting started, our step-by-step guides make cooking a breeze. Subscribe now and grab your copy of the Shrimp Boat Cookbook today.
This is the
Bon
brief
appetit.
on the incredible diversity of global shrimp dishes. All right, get ready for a little sneak peek. We're diving into this amazing list of shrimp dishes from all over the world. It's kind of giving you a taste of what's coming in a bonus episode of Shrimpin' Ain't Easy. First, this list just really highlights shrimp's global culinary footprint, right? Shows how it's a staple pretty much everywhere. Like over in India, you've got awadi prawns, marinated in chili and turmeric, or that rich chingri malai curry with coconut milk. Then hop over to the Philippines for camarón robasado, that's like deep-fried battered shrimp. Oh, and Mexico? Kawamanta, this unique soup or taco filling, sometimes even with manta ray? Wild. Second, you get these really unique preparations and culturally significant condiments. Kinda shows how shrimp becomes this base for some seriously bold flavors. Get this, dancing shrimp from Japan and Thailand, yeah, they're served live, wriggling, often with sake. Then there's China's drunken shrimp, which can be live or cooked in strong liquor. Wow. And we can't forget those fermented shrimp pastes, like bagong alamang from the Philippines or sinkalok from Malaysia. Totally key condiments. Finally, it's clear shrimp is at the heart of so many iconic regional staples. Think about the American South, okay? Louisiana's got its famous seafood gumbo, that hearty stew with the holy trinity of veggies, and of course the classic New Orleans shrimp po' boy. Then, jump across the pond to the UK, you'll find traditional potted shrimps from Lancashire, preserved in this amazing mace-flavored butter. Seriously, the sheer range of shrimp dishes across the globe is just astounding.